Today I'm going to show you how I make a dancehall beat in FL Studio. So let's get started. So whenever I'm starting a beat, I always start with melodies first. Drums, bass, and any other elements can come after. But this is just how I make my beats. You can start with whatever you feel most comfortable starting with. Alright, so first I started with this loop that I sampled. This is the before. Crazy. And this is after I sampled and pitched it. Already a vibe. Then I added this piano to support the main melody. This piano is from one of my favorite contact libraries, Glacier Keys. And that weird vocal thing you're hearing is actually from Exhale by Output. And together they sound like this. Everything together. See, you started getting that vibe. And if I turn on the metronome, you're gonna start hearing that groove. Alright. So after the main loop and the piano supported, I then went straight to the bass. Just a simple bass line. And together with the main melody and the piano, it sounds like this. Alright, so for the drums, I started with this hi-hat loop. I think I got it from a cymatic pack and it sounds like this. I chopped it up to make it sound like how I want it. I think I pitched it. Yes, I pitched it on a semitone. I make my hi-hats to go well with my basses. My hi-hat and my bass have to be grooving together. So with the hi-hat and the melodies, so after the hi-hat, I then added my snares. I actually added 2 sounds for the snare. This is the main snare, but it wasn't cutting through enough, so I added the rim. And with the hi-hat, Then I added this other snare, which I call the slap snare. For beats like this, I always ensure that my top drum and my bass are moving together before I add the kick. So after getting the top drums and the bass to move together, I then added the kick. Now with the bass. For beats like this, the drum and the bass should sound like a complete beat. So with everything, it sounds like this. And that's pretty much it. All that's left is just to arrange it. If you want to know how I arrange my beats, let me know so in the comments below. If you like this video and want more content like this, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up and share. I'm out.
Melodies.